plain order book shows numbers. DepthX answers a more important question: which liquidity actually moves the market, how it changes, and whether the pressure you see is confirmed by real execution. DepthX isn't just a price ladder. In a single window, it brings together the live order book, a server-side deep liquidity layer, executed trades, and an algorithmic reading of what's happening. Current price sits in the center. Below it is buyer liquidity, above it, sellers. Bar length shows the relative size of an order, and the bottom row sums up both sides and the overall imbalance. This is the raw data, still without interpretation. The display can be tuned to your screen and working style. Scale and row density, how volume is visualized, units, and refresh rate. The calculations themselves don't change. The first filter is large order. It separates big visible liquidity from background noise. The threshold is set per market. But a large order isn't guaranteed protection. What matters is whether it stays in the book. Large order shows orders waiting to be filled. Footprint shows what has already been executed at each price. Volume, delta, and whether buyers or sellers dominated. This is how intent in the book is matched against real trades. Footprint has several reading modes: bid and ask, delta, volume, and profile views. Its interval can be synced with the chart or set separately when you need a more detailed read of execution. Context combines order book imbalance, the delta of executed trades, micro price shift, and fast flow. The result is shown as bull, bear, or neutral. Trust shows how well the components agree. When they conflict, you get low or trap risk. Pressure measures current pressure from -100 to +100. The conservative mode leans on order book structure. The aggressive one reacts faster to trade flow and short-term shifts. It's context on strength, not an entry command. Sweep marks the case where aggressive buyers or sellers walk through several price levels in a row and actually move price. It shows the urgency of flow and liquidity genuinely being pushed through. Absorption shows the opposite mechanic. Heavy aggressive flow is there, but price barely moves. That means passive liquidity is meeting the market orders. After a sweep, this kind of absorption can warn that the move is losing continuation. Pull stack tracks how the cues near current price change. Pull means liquidity is quickly withdrawn. Stack that it's being added. This helps you see where the path is opening up and where new defense or an overloaded queue is forming. Spoof Risk is a risk filter, not a spoofing detector, and not proof of manipulation. It flags large orders near price that appeared and vanished too quickly. That way, a visible wall gets a reliability score. DepthX unpacks the process inside the book in detail, while Dom carries the significant liquidity back onto the chart. When a large order lines up with an LHM zone and is confirmed by footprint, context, and pressure, the scenario gains independent support. DepthX doesn't decide for the trader. It helps you check liquidity, execution, pressure, and the reliability of what you see in the order book.